Human Resources Today. Introduction to the course. Welcome to the Human Resource Management course. As companies modify priorities and operations, human resources functions can move from a dedicated HR role to that of the manager. Whether the majority of those important functions stays within HR at your organization, or is your responsibility as a manager, it is important that managers understand how much of their role is really about their people, as well as aspects of legislation, policy, and procedures that involve human resourcing issues. Course objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, that the learning occurs more easily and rapidly. With that in mind, let's review our goals for today. By the end of this course, learners will be able to describe the implications of different aspects of human resource management on their daily responsibilities, define human resources terms and subject matter, recruit, interview, and retain employees more effectively, follow up with new employees in a structured manner, be an advocate for your employees' health and safety, provide accurate, actionable feedback to employees, act appropriately in situations requiring discipline and termination. Evaluate some of the strengths and opportunities for human resources in your own workplace. Identify 3 areas for further development within the human resources field as part of a personal action plan. Introduction. Human resources, HR, used to focus on very specific processes, and had narrowly defined terms such as personnel manager and payroll. As a discipline, HR has evolved to include areas which both complement and build on one another.